That is. See this car? It's a Jaguar F-Type. Look at that Shelby. That is nice. This one I've seen here many times. Look at that. That is really nice. No, that's a proper Ferrari. Ooh, Bentley Bentayga, look at that. Holy cow, look at this shark blue Targa. We start off the Carspotting. Oh, that is a gorgeous Corvette. Oh, look at this Porsche here. That is gorgeous right there. It's a Maserati Levant. Look at the 911. Oh, look at the Panamera. And there's an M2. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Check out this G-Wagon here. Oh, look at this gorgeous color on that 650i. That is nice. M6. Look at that. Yellow and gold. That's a good spec for this Fiat. Ooh. Here's a nice BMW. It's not an M, but still nice. Here's a new Mustang. That's nice. Look, here's the new Jaguar I-Pace. There's a nice bike right there. First bike in the video of the year. Oh, this is gorgeous. I always love to see this car here every weekend. That's old school American muscle for you folks. So here's another car spotting video. This is the first one of the season with nice weather. So let's hope there's some good cars. Right here there's a G-Wagon to start the day, but there's not much else out so far. Here's your G-Wagon. And here's the second one. Which one of these would you pick? Different spec, but two different G-Wagons. Look at that. Look at that. Listen to the sound of that. I think, oh, that is a nice 911. It's all blocked out. Look at that. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that Mercedes there. Oh, there goes the G-Wagon. I love the sound of that. The G-Wagon. Ooh, it's gonna park right here. That is a nice one. Oh, there's a nice Lamborghini there. Look at that. There's a Jaguar F-Type and an S63. Look at that. The Miami CAYMAN. No, those are just... Wait. Oh, look at that G-Wagon. That is nice. This is a gorgeous wrap, but it's just such a cheap car. This is a nice wrap here. Look at that.